Hi, this is Linda with Crafty Music Maker. You've watched some videos where you've learned hot cross buns and Mary Had a Little Lamb and a couple French songs. And then if you've watched my video on how to read the treble clef, then you know which lines are which notes, but we haven't done them together yet. And that's what this video is for you to play those notes reading music. So you don't need me always in your phone or your desktop showing you how to play everything. So the middle line is that B note. Remember when you're playing recorder, you're sitting up nice and tall and you're relaxed and your left hand is on top. That thumb is playing that hole in the back, is covering it, I'm sorry. And then the first finger covers that top hole. And then since we're not playing any other right hand notes, you have a choice. You can put that thumb underneath that fourth hole or just hold at the bottom. So here's our B right here. And the A is on the second space from the bottom, and the G is the second line from the bottom. All right, let's play hot cross buns without reading any music. Once on your chin. B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, B, A, G. Let's try playing it. Here we go. Good. Now I want you to play it again. Let's slow it down some while reading the music notes. All right? So again, I said B is that middle line note. A is the second space from the bottom. And G is the second line from the bottom. All right? Let's slow it down though so that you have time to process what it looks like and what your fingers are doing. Here we go. All right, let's try it a little faster. Do you want to try it even faster? Let's give it a shot. Very nice. Remember, every note you're playing right now, we're tonguing, going do or two. All right, let's move on. Let's go to Mary Had a Little Lamb. First, let's go ahead and chin it. B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, B, B. B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, A, G. All right, let's go ahead and play it. All right, now let's try doing it reading the music, okay? So we're going to play the song and watch those notes. Once again, it starts on B, that middle line. All right, so let's take it a little slower. Great, now let's try it again a little bit faster if you're ready. If not, go back and try it again slower tempo. Great, let's move on. Let's go ahead with Fe Do Do. And this one is B A G G A G A B G B A G G A B A G. Let's try playing it a little slower first. All right, so let's go ahead and play this one again and with the music notes. All right, so we're going to start again with the B, and I want you to play while I say the letter names. All right, so here, read the music while I say the letter names. B, A, G, G, A, G, A, B, G, B, A, G, G, A, B, A, G. So let's try it again together. Good. I hope you're able to follow along. All right, so let's do one last song, and that is A Clair de la Lune. And this time we start on G. So it's G, 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 A, B, G, G, B, A, G. Repeated. Let's try it. Now let's try it reading with the music. Remember, we're going to start on G this time. So that is the note on the second line from the bottom. All right? Let's do it just a hair slower. Let's do it one more time. And for those of you who are overachievers, let's go ahead and take it up a notch. Now you might need to be able to play this video over a few times, just getting used to reading that music while you play. I really recommend the more you put in it now when you're only looking at 3 notes, the better the faster you'll get at it, and it'll be easier for you to start reading music. Again, when there's only 3 notes. When we get more notes, then it's a little trickier, and as the music gets harder, it's just more to learn. So let's take baby steps right now. Practice this. If you can practice this a couple times a week, 3 times a week, 5 times a week, once or twice a day, you'll be surprised how quickly you start being able to read those notes, and then also how well your recorder playing is getting. So anyways, I'll see you next time.